students, I hope you are fit and fine as always. We already finished Geography chapter number 1, Resources, in our YouTube videos. Now here we revised main points of the chapter. For detailed explanation and examples, you can go through my video. So are you ready for quick revision? Let's start. Now our first main point of the chapter is utility or usability is what makes an object or substance a resource. Is it clear? Now next point is things become resource only when they have a value. Its use or utility gives it a value. All resources have some value. Okay, students? Then next point is some resource can become economically valuable with time. One new word, patent. Patent means the exclusive right over any idea or invention. Next point. So value, utility, time, technology that change substance into resource. Okay. Then our next point is resources that are drawn from nature. Mainly resources are three types: natural resources, human made resources and human resources. So start with natural resource. Resources that are drawn from nature and used without much modification are called natural resources. For example, water we drink, air we breathe, minerals we use, all are natural resources. Next point, natural resources are further classified into different groups depending upon their level of development, origin and distribution. On the basis of development, natural resources can be divided into two groups: actual resources and potential resources. Actual resources are those resources whose quantity is known. For example, petroleum in West Asia and coal deposit in Jharkhand. Potential resources are those whose entire quantity may not be known and not being used in present. For example, uranium found in Ladakh. On the basis of origin, natural resources can be abiotic or biotic. Abiotic resources are non-living. For example, rocks, soil and minerals. Biotic resources are living resources. For example, plants and animals. Natural resources can be broadly categorized into renewable and non-renewable resources also. Renewable resources are those which get renewed. For example, solar and wind energy. Non-renewable resources are those which have limited stock. For example, coal and petroleum. On the basis of their distribution, resources can be ubiquitous or localized. Ubiquitous means resources that are found everywhere. For example, the air we breathe. Localized means resources are found in certain places. For example, copper and petroleum. Our next important point is people use natural resources to make building, bridges, roads, vehicle, textbook are known as human-made resource. People themselves are most important resource. Improve the quality of people's skills so that they are able to create more resources is known as human resource development. Using resource carefully and giving them time to get renewed is called resource conservation. Balancing the need to use resource and also conserve them for the future is called sustainable development.